without a light on. Oh, that's Andy. He's an idiot. Andy, turn your ding. Okay, who the frick turned that thing on? Come on, guys. I'm not mad at you. I just said, come on, guys. Sorry, my stomach is really, really hurting right now. I apologize. It's not you guys I'm mad at. I'm not mad at anybody. You guys did a great job with my stomach. I was holding on for dear life. I thought I was gonna die. Did you guys get rid of all your candy? Did you guys have fun? Sorta, what do you mean?
No, it's just like...
But there's a lot of people. There's a lot of people. I'm gonna kill those bells. I'm gonna kill them. It looks fun to be around. Grace, did you ride it all or did you walk the whole thing?
It looked like that.
I know, I was keeping track of everybody, but man, they got so far ahead of the rest of the parade. I think the parade forgot to start when we went.
Yeah.
Think about it, we took those pictures and then we left and the parade still wasn't there.
What?
I'm not kidding with you. Why do you think we stopped? Where do you think the parade goes? Where we were at. Who?
This building's scary. Why don't they knock it down?
It's an expensive building.
What could we use art for another expensive building?
I don't think you can use much. I'll tell you what though, I could not get those people to get loud. They didn't seem very motivated. They just seemed to want candy.
I know.
Give me candy or we hate you. What?
Exactly.
It's like,
That's all they want from us.
no. Parade. Good, that's no surprise. You hungry.
On my side, they were passing out huge hand. And on my side, we were just handing out like tiny little
Like
things.
literally handfuls, like one person.
Yeah. Handfuls for one person.
I like that you guys got those lights on the Jeep.
There was a point where I wanted to get out.
Did you
but
take
I
the
couldn't
Did you
'cause
take the
lights.
one star off? That was right there on the. Okay. Couldn't figure out how to keep it on. The display thing, I couldn't figure out how to take off. Casanos. Casanos isn't bad though. I can figure out how to
There
pull
was
it here.
one point where I wanted to get out
Is
of the
everybody
car,
in a Kasana?
but I couldn't get
I
out
don't
of the car because the lights were on the car.
Man, this place looks busy.
It was moving. Are we gonna get our food like really late?
Oh, the parade people are thinking.
What are you talking about? We're the first parade people.
No, like, I mean, like, the people at the parade.
Yeah.
They're still at the parade. Don't you
I
get
know,
it?
but they're like wearing hats